Hello guys, welcome to camp presentation. So today we will learn how to plot the PL spectra in Origin and also the baseline correction. So here I am using the Origin 2021 edition. So first take a new workbook and go for data. So this data is for a nanocrystal material and here the x-axis represents wavelength and the y-axis represents count. So delete this extra part. Select the data. X-axis is wavelength. Delete this extra column because not required now. Now plot this data by using line plot. So here we can clearly see that we need baseline correction since these minimum values is not correspond to 0. So go for analysis, then peak and baseline, peak analyzer, open dialog. Create baseline. Next, user define, and here the number of points you can change accordingly. So I am using the by default 8. Find, next, modify and delete. So by clicking these points I can shift the values accordingly. So done. Now subtract for preview. So after subtraction it will look like this. So next, finish. So go in the book 1. So here is the data for baseline. So we need the corrected value. So take a new column and set column as column B minus baseline value D. Enter. So this is the correct baseline correction value. Baseline corrected value. Now to see the changes in without baseline correction and corrected value, plot the base corrected and non-corrected data and corrected. Plot line. To see clearly, increase the width of the data. No, 3. Okay. So here we can clearly see the baseline correction and not corrected value. So this red curve is represent the corrected value. So we only need to plot the corrected value. So select column A by pressing Ctrl and corrected baseline and then go for plot. Now by clicking on the curve we can change the width accordingly. By clicking on y-axis we can change the range. So it will increase 0 to, and here on tick labels you can change the representation also. So I am changing decimal to scientific. So I can also change the increment value. So here I am changing increment to 8000. Means each 8000 will give a major tick. Now click on this, make this bold. Font size should be 30. Similarly click here. Click here and go size. No. Click here width change to 3 centimeter. Similarly here also change the font size. Go to increment value. So I'm changing it to 100 nanometer one increment. By clicking here you can change the wavelength is nanometer. Make bold and 30 font size. Similarly here you can write count as intensity. Arbitrary unit. By clicking here, right click, go to properties and go to frame. If you want to remove that box, you can select here none. So you got this. So this is the final PL spectra, and for PL maxima you can read this value. This corresponds to 411 nanometer, 411.468 nanometer. So PL maxima is